amazing today on the 2nd of October 2023. This is on Otsolahdentie. Vegan 16, the building B, because it's 2 in 1. So actually we filmed the building A with 2 in them.
Yeah.
In fact, it's quite unusual too. But 2 in 1.
Yeah.
And they have like 2 elevators on each side of the staircase.
Yeah.
At first we thought they were 2 staircases, but this one with 2 elevators. We passed these 3 persons on 25 grams. It's here in Tapiola, in Espoo. Espoo held ski and sports region also in Finland. Close to the Tapiola metro station with 5 floors. Built in 1955, turned 65 years old in 2020. December is 6149. Base weight in 2024 in next year. I love this melon here.
Same here.
Yeah, disaster rides. I like these turquoise frames. The turquoise color is beautiful.
Yeah. Inspekteert paar keer wijsbetaald met het pasje.
Did it go out?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Strange. Go to the stairs.
Yeah.
The sounds in here.
Same.
sit back around watching. Let's go to the other elevator, and I also hope we'll get to the building 14 as well.
Yeah. That's